On today's video, we're going to check out this Amana PTAC that works good in cool, but when you put it in heat, it doesn't heat. It's one of these older units, the ones with the dial. So let's check a couple things. You go ahead and put it in cool. This is one of these older thermostats also. See what we got. Okay, there it is there. In cool, it's working real good. So let's check out some of the things about the heat. So we know that this PTAC works good because the compressor's coming on and it's cooling. The only problem is no heat. Let's go ahead and change it to heat. Check out some things. Reversing valve went on, so we know the reversing valve works. Let's check it out. It's just blowing air. It's not going into heat, so let's remove the cover and check it out. Okay, first thing I would do, I would check my wires, because this is connected to a thermostat on the wall. So the blue wire usually is the reversing valve. We heard that work. So here's your white wire, which is your element. Good connections. So we're good. Now let's go ahead and check out our heating element. Always make sure you disconnect the power either at the breaker or right here at the plug. To get to our heating element, it's a total of 4 screws. 2 5/16 screws that holds the grill on top. Push in here. It just slides right out, just like that. Okay. Now right here is our heating element. Okay, now on the heating element, you got a 1/4 inch screw there and a 1/4 inch there, so you just change your bit to 1/4 inch. I'm using the 1/4 inch. Okay, now the heating element comes straight up, like so. There is the heating element. Let's check it out. Just inspect it for any obvious breaks or anything. Okay, here's a problem right here. You can see the wire is off, so it's burnt. Pull this terminal out here and pull this one out here. Let's go search our junk yard, our storage. I got a unit here, an old unit that the compressor went out, and I saved it for parts, and I already pulled the heating element out. And let's go test this one to see if it works or if it's good. Let's go ahead and do a continuity test on this. Okay, so the wire where it comes in here, and here I cut the wire, so here it is. Here, let's go ahead and do a continuity test. So set your dial to continuity. So let's go ahead and just see if we have a continuous run on here. So put you want to hear. So we know now that there is no break in this heating element or these wires here. So on this bad one here, if we run the test, the continuity test, we're not gonna get it because it's broken here. So we just put it back in the same way we took it out. So if we're going like that, you can either plug these wires into the terminals. They're kind of old, so I'm just gonna wire nut it right here. Put it back the same way you took it off. in the front. Now we put our grill back on. Tucks right in here. Switch our tip to 5/16. Okay, let's go ahead and power it back up. Plug it in or hit your breaker, however you turn the power off, and let's test it out. Oh yeah, that's working. Throwing out some heat. So all it was our heating element. So we got this one repaired. Let's go on to the next one. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.